Hey Team V, this is our last session of soccer. I'm so excited to be back here with you today. Thanks for joining me. I love soccer and I'm sure you've had a lot of fun too. So this is our last day. Give it your all. We're gonna have a great time. So today we are gonna learn a little bit about defense. Defense is trying to make sure the ball does not go into your net. So if you are a defender on a soccer team, you are near the net. You're not in the net like the goalie. You are near the back. Those are the defenders. All right? So if you are on defense as opposed to on offense, the team has the ball. Defense, the team does not have the ball. They're trying to block it. Now, in the game of soccer, you cannot use your hands. The ball cannot touch your hands. It cannot touch your arm, even the outside of your shoulder. Also, soccer is a non-contact sport. You cannot touch the other player, or grab them, or tackle them, or swing them around, all right? You just have to use your body. So today, Team V, we are going to play a game which is like keep away. So your job is to keep yourself between the ball and the defender, because the defender wants to steal your ball. All right, let's get ready to go. So now what's gonna happen, Leo, I am going to try to steal these cones. You are going to try to block me from stealing the cones.
Oh, okay.
But you can't grab me.
Okay.
You can't push me, but you want to keep your body between the cone and me.
Okay. What about this? Will this work?
We'll see.
Yes.
All right, ready? I'm gonna try to get the cone, Leo. I'm gonna try to get all 4. Keep your body between me and the cone.
No.
Let me try again. That's it. Yeah, keep your body between me and the cone. So right now, friends, the cone represents the ball.
No.
The non-contact sport, you can't push, you can't kick me, you can't push me, you can't grab me. Okay, Team B, I have 4 cones that I'm trying to get. Watch me do it.
No.
Fine. 1. 2. 2. No.
Yeah.
He's sneaky. I didn't think of
Hold it. Okay.
Leo got all the cones. Now we're gonna try it with a ball.
Hey.
Okay, Team B, we're back. This time we have a ball, and same thing. One person's gonna try to keep possession of the ball. The other person's gonna try to get it. So keep your body between. Yeah, we're gonna grab it with our feet. This time we're gonna grab it with our feet. Okay? So Leo has the ball. He is team offense. I am team defense. I'm trying to get the ball.
How does we actually play it like a basketball?
We are going to play it like a soccer game.
Oh.
Only use your feet. If the ball goes out on the cement, it is the other person's ball. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, Team V, that's it. So I want you to practice those 2 things. First, put out a few items. try to keep them away from the person who's trying to get them with their hands. Keep your body between the item and the other person. And then try it with a soccer ball. So keep your body between the ball and the other team. All right, now we're gonna play a real game of soccer. Now I heard Team B that you were cheering for Leo. That's okay, I'm cheering for him too. 3, 2, 1, go! Dun, da, 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 da. That is the end of our soccer game. Let's do our handshake, Leo.
Up,
Down, wiggle, wiggle, pop.
Love ya.